Do you want your iPhone to automatically change its look depending on the app you open? No settings, no manual switching, just pure automation. Today's trick is super smart, and once you use it, you won't go back. Hey guys, today I've prepared an amazing iPhone automation that I'm 100% sure you will benefit from, especially if some apps are too bright or too dark for your eyes. Quick reminder, I still see that many of you watching are not subscribed yet. If you enjoy smart iPhone tips like this one, make sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel and it keeps these tips coming. Alright, let me show you how this works. First, open the Shortcuts app. From the bottom, tap on Automation. Then tap the plus icon in the top right. Now tap App. Now here, choose the app you want. I'll use Gmail as an example. Make sure is opened is selected, then tap Run Immediately and tap Next. Now tap Create New Shortcut. In the search bar, type Set Appearance and tap on it. Change Toggle to Turn and select Dark. Now tap Done. That's it. Whenever I open Gmail, my iPhone automatically switches to dark mode. But here's the important part. When you close Gmail, your iPhone will stay in the dark mode. So we need one more automation. Again, open Shortcuts and then Automation, plus icon, then app, just like the previous steps. Now choose the same app, Gmail. This time select is closed. Tap Run Immediately, then Next. Tap Create New Shortcut. Search for Set Appearance again, change it to Turn Light, and tap Done. Now watch this. I open Gmail, dark mode turns on. I close Gmail, light mode comes back. Fully automatic, no effort. So why is this automation useful? It reduces eye strain, especially with bright apps. It can help save battery, especially on OLED displays. It keeps your iPhone looking clean and consistent. Perfect for apps you mostly use at night, and it works with any app, not just Gmail. This is one of those automations that once you set it up, you forget it even exists. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves iPhone tricks. More smart automations coming very soon. I'll see you in the next one.